How do you undo in Adobe InDesign? Well, very easily, just like every other program. First, we can go up to Edit, down to Undo. In this case, it undoes the last thing I did, which was change this to pink. And we can go to Edit, Undo, Move Item, or Command or Control Z. That's how you can go back and forth. I say forth because you can redo with holding Shift and that shortcut key. So Command Z, we can undo. In fact, I could undo all the way back to the last tutorial I did, and then I could hold Shift and redo. So if I need to go back, or I'm sorry, go forward in time, I can do that. Just undo, redo all my last actions. It's pretty unlimited as far as how many undos you have, unlike Photoshop where you have to increase the number because it uses so much of your CPU and processing. Here in InDesign, pretty much everything's vectors, even imagery, you're not doing a whole lot of effects to. So undo, Command or Control Z, redo, hold Shift and press Command or Control Z. That is how to undo here in InDesign.